Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. I'm Nuria. In this video I'm going to teach you how to merge a row or column or cells in Excel. Stick around till the end. In this particular example I have this sentence written on the first cell A1. As you can see, this one doesn't fit within this size. We can resize this one. But what I want to show you for this tutorial is how you can merge. Let's say we want to merge from A up to F. To do that, select all the cells. Select the cells from A to F. Then once you do that, click on Home and then Merge in Center. This will merge the cells into one. Okay, I will do Ctrl Z to return it. Now how about if you want to merge two rows? To merge two rows, select the two rows that you want to merge. For example, the first and the second row, and then right click, again go back to Home and then click on Merge in Center. Now this will merge the two rows. As you can see, now you can add any heading here, so it will appear on these two rows. Now let's Ctrl Z, and I want to show you how you can merge columns. To merge columns, it is the same. Select the columns you want to merge, okay, and then again go to Home, click on Merge in Center. This will merge the two columns. If you found this video tutorial helpful, for more click on subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.